Let's talk about a hot topic in today's education and training world. Is 100% placement fake, or is there some truth behind it? Let's uncover the ecosystem behind this concept, from companies to placement agencies, training institutes, and students. Everyone plays a role. Understanding the placement ecosystem. At the center, we have companies. They need skilled employees, and for that, they either conduct their own placement drives or outsource hiring to placement agencies. Now, these placement agencies charge a fee to find suitable candidates and align interviews. But they never commit to 100% placement because they don't control the final hiring. That decision lies with the company. Where do training institutes come in? Training organizations, boot camps, edtech platforms, coaching centers collaborate with placement agencies and companies to bridge the gap between students and employers. They attract students with one powerful line: 100% job guarantee. But the reality? Their situation is no different from the agencies. They can arrange interviews, but can't promise jobs. Can anyone be hired without skills? Ask yourself this. Can any company hire you without checking your skills? Absolutely not. Unless you're a relative of the CEO, no one skips the evaluation process. Let's break it down. A company bids for real-world projects. Once they win a project, it's assigned to a team under a project manager. Every project has deadlines, so they need skilled professionals who can deliver. If someone joins without the required skills, how long will the company pay them without results? Why do students fall for 100% placement? It comes down to one word: fear. The fear of failing interviews, not getting placed after college, competing with thousands of other job seekers. Instead of facing that fear, many students try to bypass skill building and buy confidence by paying for job guarantees. The real solution? If paying for job guarantees really worked, then why don't colleges charge placement fees instead? After all, students spend years in college. Isn't that a better place to guarantee placement? But still, many graduate without jobs. Why? Because getting hired is not about promises. It's about your skills, consistency, and preparation. So here's the truth. 100% placement is not fake, but it's conditional. It depends on you, your effort, your attitude, and your willingness to learn. Instead of paying for job guarantees, invest in your skills. That's the only guarantee worth trusting. It's my personal analysis. If you think it's true, please share with others.